Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to easily create faceless TikTok videos. So guys, for this video, we will be using NVideo AI. So just simply go to nvideo.io, and from here, just simply go ahead and sign up over here on the top right, and just simply sign up with your account. You can join via Google or Apple, or just simply provide your email over here. And now guys, once you have created your account, or sign in into your account, just simply provide the name and the reason why they just discover the NVideo AI, and just simply provide what is being asked. So I'm going to click on continue. And now this will be the homepage of NVideo AI. Now from here, just simply go ahead and click on over here, explore all, and just simply select TikTok video. And from here, guys, just simply go to ChatGPT. And here on the ChatGPT, just simply go ahead and provide something like this. So generate 15 captivating and informative titles for TikTok. So guys, you can copy this prompt in order for you to proceed as well. Now, once you have done that, just simply go to InVideo and just simply provide this prompt over here, guys. Just simply type in create an engaging and informative TikTok video, showcasing the intriguing history facts with the title. And now from here, I'm just gonna provide the title that I chose over here. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Now I'm gonna put the title over here. And from here, guys, you can just simply copy this prompt as well. And down below, just simply make the background music so you can actually customize it. I'm gonna go for upbeat, and from here, just simply select a language, and down below you should have an option to use a male or a female, and you can choose a voice as well. And now down below you can add any subtitle, and you can use watermark text as well. And down below, you should have multiple options here. So the videos will be taken from iStock. So from here, let's say I'm gonna go for use iStock as needed. And from here, I'm gonna click on use the best audio available and click on continue and click on generate video over here. And from here, just simply provide your audience, your look and feel, and the platform, and click on continue. And guys, as you can see, it is done now. And from here, you can just simply go ahead and click on download. And from here, just simply select the download settings that you prefer and click on continue. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.